Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Today, we're diving into something super important, a healthy diet plan for weight loss. Whether you're just starting your journey or looking to refine your current plan, we've got you covered. Let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why a healthy diet is crucial for weight loss. It's not just about the number on the scale. A balanced diet helps you feel more energetic, improves your mood, and reduces the risk of chronic diseases. Plus, it can be delicious and satisfying. Think of your body like a car. To run efficiently, it needs the right fuel. And for us, that means a mix of lean proteins, whole grains, healthy fats, and plenty of fruits and veggies. Now, let's create a diet plan that's both effective and sustainable. Here's a simple framework to get you started. Begin your day with a nutrient-dense breakfast. Think smoothies, oatmeal, or eggs with veggies. For lunch, aim for a balance of lean protein, whole grains, and lots of veggies. A quinoa salad with grilled chicken is a perfect example. Dinner should be lighter but still nourishing. Try something like grilled salmon with a side of steamed broccoli and sweet potatoes. When it comes to snacks, choose options that keep you full and satisfied. Fruits, nuts, and yogurt are great choices. Sticking to a healthy diet can be challenging, but here are some tips to make it easier. Prepare your meals ahead of time. This saves time and keeps you on track during busy days. Drink plenty of water. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger. Pay attention to your body's hunger cues and eat slowly. This helps prevent overeating. Let's hear from some amazing individuals who have transformed their lives with a healthy diet. I used to struggle with my weight, but changing my diet made all the difference. I feel healthier and more confident now. It's not just about losing weight. It's about gaining a new perspective on life. Eating healthy has given me more energy and a positive outlook. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on living a healthier, happier life. And comment below with your favorite healthy meal. We love hearing from you. Remember, a healthier you is just a meal away. See you in the next video.